Hey everyone! Have you ever wished you could tap into a new opportunity just by using a simple app? Imagine having the chance to get in early on something big, just like catching the early wave of Bitcoin or Dogscoin. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the crypto space, the Cat's Bot. Stick around to find out why this could be your next big opportunity. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So, what's all the buzz about this Cat's Bot? Picture this, a bot that's quickly gaining traction, with over 34 million users already. That's not far from the 40 million users of the Dogscoin bot. And here's the kicker, it's officially verified by Telegram. This bot has a track record similar to that of Dogscoin, which means its potential is huge. Let's talk numbers. The Cat's Bot first appeared in the pre-market at a price of $0.00027, but that's not the full story. The pre-market price is just a starting point, and it's crucial to remember that the price at launch will differ. So if you're seeing a lower pre-market price and thinking of jumping in, don't let that fool you. The real value will come with the launch. Now I know what you might be thinking. How do I get started? It's actually quite simple. When you first open the Cat's Bot, you'll see a dashboard that counts how long you've been on Telegram. Based on that, it will award you a certain number of points. The process is straightforward, and you don't have to worry about complicated tasks. For those who are wondering about the tasks, they're simple and easy. You might be asked to follow a few accounts or complete small tasks to earn more tokens. For example, adding a cat emoji to your name can earn you some quick tokens. And don't worry if you're not ready to complete all the tasks. It's about steadily growing your token balance. What's great about the Cat's Bot is its ease of use. You don't have to keep it open all the time. Just check in periodically, complete a few tasks, and watch your tokens grow. Plus, there's a referral system. For every person you bring on board, you can earn more tokens. It's as simple as sharing the opportunity with friends and family. Here's a tip. Keep an eye on the leaderboard. It's a fun way to track your progress and see how you stack up against others. You don't have to be in the top spot to benefit, but it's a great motivator to keep engaging with the bot. As for the future, there's an exciting update coming soon. You'll be able to earn even more by upgrading certain features or completing special tasks. While this isn't mandatory, it's a nice way to boost your earnings if you're up for it. To sum it up, the Cat's Bot is a straightforward and potentially lucrative opportunity. It's user-friendly, requires minimal effort, and offers a chance to get in early on something that's growing fast. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.